Hello, dear subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to change the name of the mobile version in Instagram. Please write if my solution helped you and if it worked for you on your phone. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments. I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel and give me likes. Let's go. Go to Instagram. Choose the profile we want to change the name on in the mobile version. We open it. In the upper right corner, we click on the three bars, Settings and Privacy, then Accounts Center, META. I click Profiles. Here we choose our Instagram account. Further here, we can choose Avatar Username. We click Name. After that, we click Name and click Change. Can add something, can delete, and after we want to save it, click Save. Thus our name, we were able to change it mobile version of Instagram. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel, put likes. And also, if you have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Goodbye.